Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, Ivy got something really exciting in my hands. This is the brand new Vivo X300 Pro 5G. I've been waiting to get my hands on this one, and I know a lot of you have been asking about it. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's get this box open and see what Vivo has packed for us this year. Right away, the packaging feels premium. Sliding off the sleeve, and there it is. Wow, let's put the phone aside for just a second and see what else is in the box. We've got our SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, a nice clear protective case. Always appreciate when they include one of these. And of course, our charging brick and USB-C cable. Looks like a super fast charger, which is great to see. Now for the main event. Peeling this plastic off is always the best part. Ah, satisfying. Holding it for the first time, it feels incredibly well built. The weight is balanced, and it sits really comfortably in the hand. The back has this beautiful matte finish that should resist fingerprints, which is a huge plus for me. The display looks absolutely gorgeous, with those super thin bezels and that tiny punch hole camera. Let's go ahead and power it on for the first time. While it's booting up, let's talk specs. The Vivo X300 Pro 5G is running on the latest flagship processor, which means performance should be lightning fast. It's paired with a generous amount of RAM, so multitasking should be a breeze. But the real star of the show here is supposed to be the camera system. On the back, we have this massive camera module with multiple lenses, including a periscope zoom lens that promises some incredible zoom capabilities. I can't wait to get outside and test that out. Alright, we're all set up. Swiping through the interface, everything feels incredibly smooth and responsive. The high refresh rate display makes animations just glide. Apps open instantly, and scrolling through social media is just a joy. I've been playing some games on it for a bit, and it handles everything I've thrown at it without breaking a sweat. The graphics look incredible, and there's no lag or stuttering at all. The battery life also seems really promising so far, easily getting me through a full day of heavy use. Now, let's talk about the camera, because that's what you all want to know about. I took a bunch of photos in different lighting conditions. The main sensor captures incredible detail and vibrant, true-to-life colors. The portrait mode does a fantastic job of separating the subject from the background with a natural-looking blur. But that zoom, it's genuinely impressive. The clarity you can get even at 10x or 20x zoom is mind-blowing. It really opens up a whole new world of photography possibilities right from your phone. Even the front-facing camera takes sharp, detailed selfies. So, my final thoughts on the Vivo X300 Pro 5G, it's a true flagship contender. You're getting a stunning design, a top-tier display, blazing fast performance, and a camera system that is incredibly versatile and powerful. If you're in the market for a new high-end smartphone, you absolutely need to have the X300 Pro on your shortlist. It truly delivers on all its promises. That's it for my review. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech reviews like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.